Good morning. Welcome to the library, Ecology students. I'm Ms. Thorson, and I would like to help you get started on your research for your Ecology Passion Project. We're going to start at the AHS homepage, and on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Library. Once you get to the library website, you'll go to Resources and Online Databases. This is our starting point to access many databases that we have in the library. The Gale database is probably one of our most comprehensive databases. If you were using this at home, you would be prompted right here to put in the password, which is welcome. But since we're at school, you're just going to click Proceed. Gale has a variety of general and subject-specific databases in its collection. Some of them that will be helpful to you are Student Resources in Context, Opposing Viewpoints in Context. If you scroll down a little bit more, you will see that we have an Environmental Studies and Policy collection, which hopefully will be perfect for this project. And as you can see, the collection was last updated this very month, so the information there should be up to date. We also have the General Reference Center Gold and the General Science Collection. So as you can see, there are many spots where you can go to find some good information. Now, one thing you can do is search at the top, and then you're searching everything that's selected. So you might want to go through and maybe unselect some of them, like U.S. history in context, world history in context, things that you know might not give you the things that you want, but something like the agriculture collection would probably be pretty good for you to leave in. So you can do a general search, or you can do a specific search, and they pretty much work the same way. So I'm going to click on the Environmental Studies and Policy collection and just show you a quick sample right from there. Now, you can change the way you search so that you're only searching documents that have full text. Some documents just have abstracts or a little bit about the article. So if you leave that, that's good, because then you get the whole article. You can also do so that you're limiting your search to peer-reviewed publications. So those are going to be your more academic journals, where journals written for experts in the field, not a general consumption magazine like Time or Newsweek. So I'm going to leave it just the way it is, and I'm going to search for exotic pets. And so I just type that in, click search, and then it takes me to my results, and I have 21 results, so things about not exotic pets, and this is also suggesting that I try non-traditional pets. As you can see, you can also limit it to academic journals or news stories, and there are other ways that you can limit your search if you get too many. So right now I'm going to look at this one right here about Asia's wildlife trade. This is an article from National Geographic, and I can see the full text of the article right here. And as you can see, every time my search terms come up, they're in red, so I can almost skim the article for things that will be helpful to me. So once I decide that that's an article that I'm interested in, I can print it, I can email it, I can download it, and one really neat feature is that you can download it as an MP3 file, so you could listen to it instead of actually reading it. There are also citation tools, and this is something that will be very helpful for this class, as your teacher does want you to cite articles. So for citation tools, you just click on that, and you choose the way your teacher would like you to cite what you've done, so either MLA or APA, and you can either just copy and paste this into a Google Doc or a Word file. You could download it, or you could export it into any of these services that you might use, and EasyBib is something that we'll talk about a little bit later. So if you have any questions about this resource or other library resources, please come by and see either me or Mr. Kroback. Thanks so much.